What's up everyone, Scott here coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf with another video. This video is on easy phone money, and as you can see folks, it's generated me, and this is a side hustle without showing your face. $5,400. Current earnings $200. You know what the best part about the easy phone money system is? All we do is post faceless videos like this on TikTok, like this, and we show you. This is a brand new account I just started over the weekend, and it's already pumping up to 160 subscribers, and it's responsible for two of my commissions that came in through here. And if you want to see how they're paid out, we're going to go to the paid commissions. And as you can see here, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. It goes on and on and on, folks. So what you're going to want to do is you're really going to want to get involved with this. There's nothing much to this, folks. There's nothing much to this. This is your back office right here, how to get started, how to receive. You're going to receive unlimited $200 commissions. The TikTok training, that's what you're buying here. You're buying this and it works. I already showed you that it works, okay? I already did show you that it works. So you're getting that. You'll have access. And then this is brand new. Monetize your TikTok, okay, from day one. There's no waiting 60 or 90 days. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Actually, the system is going to show you how to do that. New training just came out, brand new. Relationship, ever 100% done for you advertising. We have everything you need to succeed. As you can see, yesterday was a $400 day alone. I'm sorry, the 24th was a $400 day alone. And then you come back here, you had another one, then you have another one. So folks, this is as easy as it goes. This may have to go on a short reel because there's nothing much to this. What you're going to do is you're going to see a link that looks like this here. You're going to see a link like this. What you're going to do, that's in the description when you're smashing the subscribe. You're going to put your name, you're going to put your email here, and then what it's going to do, it's going to take you over to another page. And you're going to watch this 15-minute video. You're going to watch the 15-minute video, then it's going to bring you to this point right here where you're going to have to make your decision. Do you want to make money faceless without showing your face using TikTok's algorithm? Look at this. TikTok's algorithm is on fire. Look at this. 4,807 views. It goes on and on and on, folks. I keep coming down here. This is another faceless one right here. You can mix them up, but I like to do videos. Some people don't. You get the same results what you do when you're using the faceless as you do the regular, because the system is what make it work. I mean, this is proof in the pudding right here. I have documentation to back this up. $5,400 and a $200 a pop system. So that's it, folks. Smash the subscribe, hit the bell. Be sure to get to the link in the first comment, right? This is the link you're going to see in the first comment, also in the description below. I look forward to connecting with you, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.